G'day Australia, Coram Ellis here. Today I'm at Audiocom Midland on my back I'm on my back. Working on a 2014 Holden Colorado. Now we've just added a Kenwood multimedia unit at the front for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto using the Aerpro infotainment adapter, which does not retain the factory camera. So on the Colorado you've got the factory camera up here above the logo. And I'm going to show you a hack on how to then hardwire the factory camera through to the infotainment adapter, which will still let the factory parking sensors work and still give you a camera input that works into the factory sensors. So at the back of the vehicle here, you've got the wiring loom that comes from the tailgate with this connector, which has got the camera wires in it. And I'm yet to solder these two and insulate them up, but hopefully you can see clearly there the two camera wires and their position within the connector. The yellow wire is the video positive and the black wire is the video negative. The black wire that's right next to the yellow wire is the video negative. So they're the two ones you need to connect a cable to, an RCA cable. We've just got it draped around outside the car at the moment for testing, but we've had a successful power up test. So now we'll insulate those connections and loom that up in protective loom tube and run that through to the front of the vehicle, through the body, to, might as well show you right now, to the new interface that we've fitted at the front here. So we've got the Kenwood head unit in and done, and then here in my hand is the connects to infotainment adapter, and this retains all the factory settings for you can change things in these vehicles for all the the lighting settings and the parking sensor settings and a bunch of other stuff. It's all adjustable. So that's all retained by that kit, but it just does not retain the factory camera. You've got to run this little hack. I hope this helps. I hope you've learned something today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll keep putting up more tips and tricks and different hacks for different vehicles to help get you installing better.